Now, Hotelia's booking widget sits right on top of your website so that your guests can make reservations directly with you and payments come directly to the hotel as well. And guess what? When they click on book your stay, they don't have to be routed to any third party sites. They just stay with you and create that reservation. So I'm just going to pick some dates here just to show you the customer experience side of things. Select the number of guests, choose a experience. I'm going to go for the suite. Why not? And then I see here a couple of add-on options to enhance my stay. I love the idea of early check-in because I have an early flight. The remote work setup is actually very handy because there's so many people that work all day and I'm one of those. So I definitely need to make sure that I have a fully fleshed out remote setup and they're offering a huge monitor and beautiful chair. So I'm in. And then, you know what? Welcome toast. Let's do it. So as you can see here now is the grand total with the room and add-ons as well. Now this last step here is just to review the booking summary and enter their credentials and submit their payment. All payments are powered by Stripe, so it's safe and secure and directly paid to the hotel.